Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. This is where linking becomes reliable. Make sure your Mac and iPhone are on the same Wi-Fi network and Bluetooth is on, because discovery and continuity rely on both. Sign into the same Apple ID and verify two-factor authentication. This secures automatic trust. Once done, open System Settings on Mac and Settings on iPhone. Enable Handoff and iCloud Drive. Then watch for the iPhone to appear in Finder or the Bluetooth device list, so you can start the pairing. You now perform the essential authorization steps so the devices can share data. On Mac, open Finder and select your iPhone under Locations. This initiates a secure session. When prompted, tap Trust on the iPhone and confirm by entering its passcode. This step creates a secure pairing key so files and services can flow. Next, select which sync options to enable, photos, messages, or continuity features, and click Apply. These choices determine how and why content moves between your devices. You finish by validating the link and knowing how to fix common issues. Test Handoff or Universal Clipboard. Copy text on iPhone, then paste on the Mac. That confirms connectivity. If something fails, first toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then restart both devices. Simple resets clear most temporary faults. If problems persist, sign out and back into iCloud or reset network settings on the iPhone to refresh certificates. One key troubleshooting tip: ensure both devices have accurate date and time. Mismatched clocks block authentication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.